Is your check engine light on but your car seems to be driving perfectly fine? If you scan it and see code P0601, do not let the lack of symptoms fool you. This is a serious internal computer failure. The code stands for Internal Control Module Memory Checksum Error. In plain English, this means your car's brain, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has failed its own internal self-test. Think of it like a computer file becoming corrupted. The PCM constantly runs calculations to make sure everything is working correctly, and a checksum error means the math did not add up inside the memory blocks. While this is a generic OBD-II code that can happen on any vehicle, it is historically very common on Dodge and Chrysler products. In those cases, it often means a serial communication failure happened inside the computer at least 6 times. The scary part about this code is that you usually will not feel it. The engine runs, the gauges work, and everything seems normal, but the computer is compromised. The most common cause is simply the PCM going bad due to age, heat, or vibration causing a short circuit internally. However, a voltage spike or disconnecting the PCM wires while the battery is still connected can also fry the memory. Unfortunately, this is rarely something you can fix in your driveway with a wrench. In almost every case, the solution is to replace the PCM entirely. Sometimes a dealership can try to reflash or reprogram the existing unit, but usually, the hardware is toast. If you need a replacement, the new unit must be programmed to match your car's VIN and mileage, which usually requires factory-level tools. Before you spend hundreds of dollars, check your warranty guide. The PCM is part of the emissions system, and federal emissions warranties in the United States often cover these components for 8 years or 80,000 miles, so you might get this fixed for free. If you are out of warranty, find a reputable shop that specializes in module programming, as simply swapping in a used part without programming will not work.